Hello everyone, Adrisha here again, and I am so sorry that I did not do videos in those weeks because I was out of station. And so today we're going to make one cute little Doraemon. So here is the Doraemon. See? Now we're going to make it. So we're going to get this blue clay, and the colors are white, red, yellow, blue and black. If you have a scale or a glass piece, use a scale not a glass piece, okay? I'm gonna just do it like that. Finished. Now do the rest of them with your hand. Now we're going to flatten it up like this. First break the rolling pin, next scale I mean. Now just flatten it up like this and cut it out. See? Do it like this. We're going to get a small amount next. Do the fix. Now I'm going to roll it, then flatten it out. And see. So I have already flattened it up, and we're going to place it right here, and we're going to roll it. Let's see if I can tie it around. Big. Can also do it like this, like that, and right here. Now just flatten it up. Then put it right here. So I have made these eyes already. So we're going to put them right here. Cuties. Now just put them. If you flatten it, it will mix. Who's first? The cute tiny whiny nose. Let's just put it right here. Make sure that you don't make them too big. So, you see, I have put these white hands on the arms. Flatten it up like this. Pick it up gently. See, we have made the Doraemon, and this is the final touch. So, hope you liked the video and try to make this Doraemon at your home, and like and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the bell icon and comment. Bye bye. Peace.